Use the key to remove the battery. Press and hold the powered on button for 15 seconds to discharge the residual electrical energy. Use a 4mm hex key to remove the 4 screws that secure the battery base. First, lift the battery base upwards, then pull it out. Use a 4mm hex key to remove the 3 screws that fix the battery mechanical lock. Install the battery mechanical lock. Tighten the 3 fixing screws. Install the battery base. Make sure there is no looseness. Tighten the fixing screws. Install the battery.